Kaya ko muna ito sa tenga mo. Oh, anak, para ka namang diwata. Oh, ang ganda-ganda naman. There is Natalie. Oh, you look like a princess. Are you my princess? Namumulaklak na ang aking mga tulips, pero hindi sila sabay-sabay mamulaklak. And then, meron din dito. Ito, mas malaki siya. Mas malaki yung bulaklak niya. Tatlo na rin yung naka-open. There's more here. Yeah. Ang cute naman ng aking mga tulips. Mas maganda pa sana kung sabay-sabay silang mag-bloom. Hyacinths are still looking great. Yung daffodils ko, ano na siya, lanta na. Itong mga to, mas maliliit sila. Eto, maliit pa lang, meron na siyang flower bud. Natalie is picking some dandelions. Ito anak, oh, marami sila, oh. Those are not daisies, those are dandelions. But they are beautiful. Yeah.
Yay.
But that's gonna make you sneeze na naman, anak.
I just want to make a big bouquet out of them. So we can have, you know, a bouquet out for me. We will take good care of them, right, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
They shouldn't be hard to look after. They're just flowers, right?
Beautiful sunny weather. Titignan namin yung punong kahoy ng kapitbahay. Kapitbahay na.
And we also have some daisies to share.
Do you like the
Mama,
dandelions?
I have a good idea. That's so beautiful.
Yes.
Can I get some flowers?
Yeah, I like this one. Oh, umulan kagabi.
And this one's beautiful.
Ayan, kaya yan, mga nakaano na sila, oh. Nakabuka na lahat. Ang ganda.
Can you pick me up so I can pick some flowers?
Oh, you don't have to, anak. Ang ganda niyang pagmasdan, oh. Kumpul-kumpul ng mga bulaklak. It's beautiful. Enjoy ko rin yung mga punong kahoy ng mga kapitbahay kahit na wala kaming punong kahoy. Naman din, malaki na yung punong kahoy nila. Kaya kahit na mainit, meron kaming masisilungan dito.
We want to keep your flowers in place.
Yan. Nice weather. Ganda ang weather pero mahangin pa. Yan, napakagandang tignan. Combination ng white and green colors. Ano, tapos ito may mga seeds yata yan eh. Ewan ko kung tumutubo yan. Ito yung mga parang buto. Ayan, meron pa dito. The wind is helpful. Do you like the trees? Anna, can I take a picture? Can you stop? Let's take a picture. Come here. Yeah, tayo ka doon, baby. Tayo ka doon. Okay, tignan mo si Mami. Tingin dito, anak, ah. Natalie.
Mama, what if we put it right there?
Yeah. Try it.
Can you put it right there?
Okay, come here. Uh-oh. Kuha ka pa. Uh-oh. It's hanging on your hair.
That's good.
That's good. Okay. Smile, Natalie. Ayan. Mag-picture muna tayo, anak. Mahirap pag walang,
Mama,
tripod. Okay,
can you
alika
put the
picture muna
flower?
tayo,
Can you put the flower right
Wala
here?
kasing ganito, oh. Ayan, oh. A bouquet. Oh, let's see. Let's try it again.
Mama, let's just put that one right there.
Oh, that's beautiful, Natalie. Yeah, let's keep it. Si Natalie, post pa si Natalie. Yan, di ba maganda siya?
Mama,
Ayan yung bahay namin.
to be nice, Mama.
Yeah, yan yung bahay namin. And kita nyo yung punong, tignan nyo yung bundok. So, hanggang ganyan lang yan. Kapag ka springtime, medyo may konting green siya. But, during summer, brown na brown yan. Yeah, di ba? Hindi malayo sa amin. Kaya ito, dito kami naglalakad.
Can you pick a flower and
Okay.
put it right here on my bun?
Yeah, mahilig si Nathan lumabas kahit na malamig.
Ooh, one point. Can you get
Oh, hindi
this
ganyan, anak.
flower?
Okay, ilagay ko muna ito sa tenga mo. Oh, anak, para ka namang diwata. Oh, ang ganda-ganda naman. There is Natalie. Oh, you look like a princess. Are you my princess?
Where's the other flower that?
Okay, pag ganito, anak, kasi it's against the, against the light. Ayan, oh, look.
The flower.
The flowers. Nagulat naman ako sa'yo, Natalie. Oh, you can go get it. There's more here. Yeah, beautiful flowers. Right here, marami pa dito.
The flower.
Do you like the fragrance, baby?
Yeah.
I don't really like it kasi medyo maano. Hindi ko type yung amoy niya. Pero look at that. So pretty flowers.
Mama, let's
Yeah.
now.
Mm.
Flower in the middle. Can you take a picture of me now because I put that?
Okay, go right there under the tree. Okay, there you go. Malayo ang mga agwat nila. Hanggang dito.
Mama, wait. Can you give me a hand?
Oh, sure.
Because I'm stuck. Thanks.
5 punong kahoy lang ito.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Today we're seeing the Jeep doing karate.
Super windy today.
I hope it doesn't blow up.
Yeah, I just hope it doesn't destroy our roof.
The whole roof.
Not the whole roof. Yeah, super windy. And the wind gust is like almost 60 miles per hour.
I hope it almost doesn't blow the wind chime away.
No. The tree is dancing.
Mama, I just realized that the wind chime is warning us that's super
It's windy, yeah.
Yeah, that you wanted to
The louder you hear the wind chime,
the stronger
the stronger the wind is. Yeah, that's right. So there is our wind chime. Ayan, ganyan, kalakas ang hangin. Kaninang 6 o'clock pa nag-start ang ang windstorm.
This is a bad windstorm.
You can hear the wind gust even though we are inside the house. High wind.
Ooh.
So it's beautiful outside, but it's so windy.
See that airplane gust right there?
That's not a gust, that's a contrail.
The airplane.
Yeah. Maaraw sa labas. Maaraw sa labas, kaya lang super hangin naman. Yeah.
Maybe we're gonna have to wear 3 or a million coats.
And then I think it rained last night too.
Yeah.